Today we're going to bring a different type of pump. All right, this has UV light in there. It's going to oxygenate the actual water tank, kill off some of the algae, because the UV light it's very sensitive with the algae. It'll kill off some of this algae. Accessories comes with together. This thing deattaches, because I'm going to show you what you need to do. So when you deattach, you have to clean this part itself. All right, this is the actual pump. You are going to need air to come into the system to oxygenate, and that's what this thing comes in. This is a regulator right here, but you actually set up the actual system through this pump right here. Right, you plug it in here and you set it up. Now this has suction cups, all right, that you know that this is the inside, and you do have a couple of ways to actually throw some of the water away, if you guys can see. And they give you an adapter too, all right? The adapter's right here. So you got two different ways, and it's gonna slow down the water. So if you do one only, it's gonna be real rapid, all right? So you want to, maybe if you have a small tank, want to put two of them in there, and you could penetrate you could actually control the water valve either up and down, left and right. Now this thing here, if you guys can see, this thing circles around halfways, and you need to clean this once in a while, right? Just make sure that it's there's no debris or anything, because this is what it's going to be helping you pump the water. Right, now the snorkel goes through the top, all right? That's all. So we're going to put this together. All right, currently this is my algae problem I have. All right, my algae situation I have right now. Unfortunately, I'm not going to show you the results right now until maybe a couple weeks out. I'll do another video on this. We're going to set it up at the far end here. It's on right now, the pump, if you guys can see it. So it's bringing in air and also transferring the UV light. So hopefully tomorrow we're going to see less of the algae, but unfortunately I'm not going to be able to see it because it's going to take some time for it. All right, it takes about a week or a month, depends on the actual tank. And this is a huge tank. You can see I do have a lot of shrimp in here, and they like the algae, so I don't want to kill off too much algae. So what I do is I put in 3 hours, the minimum. All right, and this is very simple. You got 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, and 24 hours. Now you could go 6, 12, and 24, or turn it off completely if you want, or like I said, you can always do 3 hours if you want. This is off button over here, as you see. So you push it once, you go 3, then go back off if you want. Now when you turn it on to 3 hours, look what happens. The light turns on. So we're gonna see in about a couple weeks how good the system works, but very simple. It's just start sucking some air from the outside, blowing it out. You got 2 valves in there. It's doing the algae cleanup at the same time, so UV light is inside internal into the system, and that's about it. Suction cups with it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.